All right, ignition. When I got this guy, he had lost the ignition. So luckily, he ordered in a new set. So I got the ignition, gas can, trunk, all that. So if you look inside there, there's a Torx right there and one on the other side. So I gotta snap those two loose, get them out. Then there is the cord running down here, up along there, along the harness through here. And luckily, you know, it's snipped, but this one's currently plugged in, so that way it's running. But give me a second, let me pop this off and I'll be right. All right, so it was a pain in the ass. I got that one out, but lo and behold, I see why he didn't put the ignition in. It's because he stripped the other side out. So had to remove the upper fairing bolts. Got me access now to it. Basically right there. I am going to have to drill that out. So got some leverage, a little bit of room, and about to get at it. Be back. All right, got it. It was a pain. Had to bust it all out. Had to drill that bolt. So I'll get that one out. Other one came out. Get that one out. Get the new ignition in, and to be continued. All right, got one side screwed in there. About ready to hit the other side up here real quick. Just get it locked in. All right, locked in. She's in there.